What's going on, Gary here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're researching how to promote Easy1Up. You're probably already a member or you're thinking about joining and you want a proven method to generate consistent sales in the different levels of training that Easy1Up provides. Well, you're in the right place because as you can see in my back office of Easy1Up, okay, Garrett Berry, this is my name, this is my account. I've been able to generate, 180,000 $100 with Easy1Up. And I'm going to share with you the exact way and method that I've been using to generate tons of Easy1Up commissions. Okay. Now, one thing I want to share with you is that I never just directly promote, Easy1Up. Very, very rarely will I do that. Maybe in an email, I'll go directly to Easy1Up. And I'll never usually promote, just one of the levels like Elevation Elite or, Vertex, things like that. I'll never directly just promote one of the levels. What I always do, and this has worked time and time again, for many, many months that I've been with Easy1Up, is I use a system. Okay, so I send people to a capture page, which is a website that collects the prospect's email, and then I follow up through automated emails, and that allows me to generate Easy1Up commissions. Now, the number one system that I'm currently using to do this is called the multiple income funnel. Okay, now there's going to be a link directly below this video. That first link, when you click that, you'll get taken to my website where you can actually request access to a free video giving you an overview of how this system works in more detail. But basically, why I love this system is when you set up your system, okay, you go through these 4 simple steps. When you get to step 2, one of the income streams that this system sells the products for you is Easy1Up. Okay, so all you have to do is follow these simple steps. When you get to step 2, you go through and you set up these different income streams. What you want to do is you want to hook up your Easy1Up account to this system. Okay, so right here, this will be steps where you can actually put in your Easy1Up username. Now I've already done it, so it says completed. And now all you have to do, okay, is go to the links tab. You just get one of these lead capture pages, okay, and now you send traffic to this page. And what happens is when someone lands on this page, they click this button, they put their name and email in, and they click watch the video. The system collects that person's email and it starts following up on autopilot for you while you're hanging out with your friends and family, while you're even sleeping, okay? And what happens is it's designed, the system, to get someone to create an account with multiple income funnel and start going through the process to set up an account in the different income streams, okay? And when they get to the income stream number 2, Easy1Up, and they invest in one of the levels, as you know, probably with Easy1Up, you make 100% instant commissions, okay? So this is what I'm using. Again, the proof is in the pudding. You can see my results, okay? This system is incredibly high converting. Not only though can you earn, with Easy1Up, they have all these different income streams. Like the multiple income funnel, the very first income stream, okay, pays you $20 reoccurring commissions as a person stays a new member. So this funnel, you do have to pay $49 a month, or it's about $200 for the year. Okay, so it's a drop in the hat for the profit and the automation that you're able to actually start to get. Okay, so you can see right here, if I go to my business and I go to payments, actually, you can see right here that total paid with the multiple income funnel, I've generated $11,340. Okay, so this system pays you on the front end, pays you reoccurring commissions, but it also helps you promote Easy1Up. Okay, now if you don't know how to get traffic, another cool thing with multiple income funnels, this traffic tab leads you to the number one traffic source, which is traffic authority. Okay, so you can actually use traffic authority, which is high quality home business, online, make money traffic, okay? And you can actually purchase packages of clicks and just send it straight to your capture page link that they give you inside of multiple income funnel, okay? And you can start to generate Easy1Up commissions over and over and over again. So I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. This is what I use. Again, I'm constantly on the leaderboard with Easy1Up. I'm on the leaderboard of multiple income funnel. This system works. use this. Okay, don't try to create your own website. Don't try to create your own emails. If you're just starting, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of testing. This is the easiest way. Even before multiple income funnel, I always used other systems to sell Easy1Up. I didn't usually just go directly through Easy1Up. I do want to share with you though, if you're watching this video and you're not a member of Easy1Up, maybe you just stumbled across it, there's going to be a link to also directly join Easy1Up in the description. Join at the highest level you can because that unlocks all the other levels under it and the ability to earn at that level, okay? 100% instant paid commissions. I love Easy1Up. It's incredible. It's only getting better. And this system is absolutely incredible as well. So go down below, check that out, and I hope you got some value, my friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.